Hey everyone! Today is a follow-up episode to the last one in which I installed my NAS. I installed 1 terabyte SSD, I replaced the existing 4 GB RAM with 16 GB RAM, and I put the 4 Western Digital drives in the trays. And also I did show the ADM. Now today will be a little tutorial in which I will show you how to access the ADM in the browser. I will show the creating of a shared folder, the creating of a user, and of course also how to access the file storage of the NAS from Windows. So that is what we will do. Okay, let's log in. There we go. Let's take a look at the storage manager. So this is the storage manager. We can see that the RAID volume is healthy. And so it looks good. So what we want to do today is to create a shared folder. That's the first thing that I want to do. Let's see, recommend maybe at access control, shared folders. So we already see these existing shared folders. There is a home directory, there's a public system default share, there is all the users home directories, there's web default shared folder. Okay, what we will do is we will create a new shared folder, and the name will be projects. Yes, projects. 3-in-1 description. Maybe these projects. We will enable the recycle bin, and it's good to have it enabled for when you by accident delete something, then it's not lost. Okay, let's keep this on read only for all users, read and write for administrators for now. Next, let's do this and finish. So we have the projects folder now. Let's now first create a local user. Yeah, we can see that there are 2 inactive users. That's the admin and guest, and there's NAS admin, which is the system admin. I'll add a new user, and okay, this will be Ion. Yes, I'm fine. Okay. Access rights for public. Rewrite should be okay. The projects for sure rewrites. I don't have any apps installed that the user can use. yeah, I'll keep it like this for now. Okay, this user Arjan has been created. Why do I name it Arjan and not Ari? Because my Windows user's name is Arjan. We post this one for now, and we'll try to access the shared folder. And well, this one, see that there is a projects folder, and right. So that's cool. So what I want to do is I want to create my my the different projects I have. So I have books. I have music. I have my vlogs, and I have websites. Websites. And so for vlogs, I have now, of course, we have Ice Quest log, and I want to create some subfolders. Audio. We have images. We also have use it, and we have videos, obvious. So let's start copying a few files. Music, I have these two. And audio, I have this folder. And for all the other files I will also copy them onto this shared folder until I have everything that needs to be there. And then some of the files I've copied, I will be able to remove from my C drive. Now it might also be possible to net the drive under a letter. Let's try that. And do it here. So I press this button here, left metro drive. Maybe it should be like this. P of projects, and that one I'm able to mount. We have to type the name of the shared folder behind the address to mount it like Samba retrograph. And yeah, that works. And what if I here is the shared folder. So I will keep copying, and yeah, this is how you can add shared drives shared folders. Important is also to create your local user, and in my opinion it's best to create a user with the same username as you have on your Windows computer or on your Linux computer or on your Mac OS computer, but also the same password. So when you access, it immediately recognizes your credentials. That will make it a lot easier. So this is all I have for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. On Friday, I will have an episode about my photography lessons, the progress of it, and also very soon we will continue with retro gaming. So if you are interested in that, you can subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, and see you next time on Ari's Questlog.